kwento kasi yun ng talagang journey and parang ang ibig sabihin ng kantang yun for me na regardless man kung saan ako makarating over the past years of my career, sila yung nagdala sa akin dito kung nasan man ako. And kung ano man po yung meron ako, utang ko po sa inyong lahat yun. So maraming salamat po.
Wow! At live niya pa po kinanta yun, guys. Kaya talagang heartfelt yung performance si Alden. Thank you! Grabe! Hello, Alden! Ayan! Alam namin na napaka-importante ng araw na to ngayon para sa iyo.
Very much.
At talaga napaka-hands-on mo dito ha, dito sa Ultimate Fan Meet mo. Grabe, nakita namin yung effort, pagod, nagde-direct ka lahat and all. So, alam mo, hindi kompleto ang fan meet kapag wala tayong Q&A.
Siyempre.
Wala tayong mga Q&A sa mga fans mo. So, for sure.
This is their day. I mean, this is their night. So talagang I want you guys to join me in almost every segment of this program. And syempre gusto ko rin kayong marinig because it has been a while since I've been with them.
So narinig niyo ba yan, guys? Kayo mismo ang makakatanong kay Alden at siya mismo ang sasagot sa inyo at kasama natin si Kuya Betong dito sa baba.
Yes, that's right. Mula sa Bulwagang Pambalitaan dito po sa baba ng stage.
Relax ka, Beto.
Ay, sorry.
Relax, Bets.
Sorry, Alden. Ayan, pero pwede bang ako na unang magtanong sa'yo, Alden?
Anong problema mo?
We'll be right back, mga kajin. Ang tanong ko, Alden, bakit ba ang pogi mo? Grabe!
Tagal na natin magkasama yung mga tanungan mo.
Pero totoo nga, bakit
Oo,
naman
iba eh.
pogi mo, Alden?
O, ayun na, so shy na
Thank you,
yan.
Lord. Thank you po sa thank you sa blessing ng pagmumukha.
Alden, no?
Yan, pero syempre, makakasama natin, Alden, ng ilan sa mga fans mo na magtatanong. At ang unang magtatanong ay... Nasaan na po ang unang magtatanong? Sana po? Ay, ikaw pala! Hindi ka naman nagpakilala, ate. Kaya napakitayahanap dito po, ate. Sa microphone lang po tayo. Ano po ang name po ninyo? Taga saan po kayo?
Si Ben po, taga Team Pasig.
Yes! Miss Beng!
Yes.
Apa, ikaw na pala yung nalaki nyo na. Ako ito, Miss Beng. Oh, sige po, ano po ang question nyo kay
Ay,
Alden?
happy anniversary,
Thanks, Ben.
What does moving forward mean to you since yun yung title ng concert mo?
I think lahat naman tayo, we all want to move forward in our lives. And I think that's the ultimate goal about life itself. So for me, ang moving forward lang naman talaga is being a better person every day. You try and you strive to be a better version of yourself than yesterday. And I think ang talagang magmamatter doon is how much you've given back to the people who have been very important to you, that brought you to where you are. I think hindi lang naman kasi baka akala natin yung give back, it's always about something material or it's always something about na kailangan natin ibigay physically, but our mere presence is enough. Our emotions towards important people and our emotions towards important people and the people that matters in our lives, I think it's one of the most important things that we have to do kasi hindi naman mararating ng isang tao ang narating niya kung hindi siya natulungan ng mga tao na naniwala sa kanya from the very beginning. And I think that's what really matters. And that's what moving forward is.
Wow. Very well said, Alden. Grabe.
Pageant pala to.
Oo nga. Ano gusto ko lang sabihin na don't forget, your A-team is always praying for you.
Mabuhay ang A-team! Grabe. At syempre, eto na. May nagtataas ng kamay.
Next lucky fan
Diba?
natin.
Sino nga ba? Parang gusto ko si Lola.
Ayan si Lola.
Lola.
Kuya Bets.
Oo. Ay, lalapitan ko na lang kaya si Lola.
Pwede.
Lapitan na lang natin si Lola. Lola, wag na po yung kikilos po. Huwag po yung kikilos po na masama. Napapaligiran na po namin kayo. Ay, dalang. Aabot na lang natin kay Lola. No, Lola. Lola, pwede po kayong tumayo po. Tita naman. Tita! Sorry naman, patawarin niyo ho ako. Patawarin niyo po sa akin mga kasalanan, tita. Tita, pwede po ba kayong tumayo po?
Joke lang.
Okay lang, pwede po kayong tumayo po, tita.
Hindi, okay lang. Pwede kayo din.
Okay. Sige po, tita. Saan na lang po kayo? Tita, ano pong pangalan po niyo? Taga saan po kayo?
JP Yag from Quezon City.
Hi,
From
Mami Jane.
Quezon City. Tita, ano po ang question niyo po para kay Alden?
Alden, good evening.
Good evening po.
My question is, you've always been claiming that your mom is always your inspiration. Nung buhay pa siya hanggang sa namatay siya. May we just know, of course, inspiration mo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon, di ba? But may we know kung sino inspiration mo behind, pwedeng bagay, tao. Can you tell us one or two people who is inspiring you? Na kilala namin o hindi namin kilala?
Yung totoo pong sagot. Kayo naman. Showbiz na naman agad kaya kayo naghihawa. Hindi, joke lang.
Again, once and for all, please be truthful to us.
Ay, patay ka!
Sir Honor, Your Honor. Your Honor,
We have been honest to you. We've been truthful to you. Once and for all, since 15 years ka na sa showbiz, I think we deserve a little something for us to be happy this Christmas.
Mami Jane, I mean to answer your question,
Maski bagay lang ang nag-i-inspire sa'yo. Kung ayaw mo ng tao, bagay na lang.
Bagay na lang ka.
I mean, to answer that question truthfully, the
Yes.
reason why I keep on going and the reason why I keep on moving forward and, making parang deciding on to venture on different things is because of you, of our fans. Kayo pong lahat yun. I mean, hindi naman, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to, na merong nag-i-inspire. Of course, there are people behind, but it's really more of the reason why I'm moving forward and the reason why I wanted to really be a better person than I was yesterday in the industry. Dahil po sa inyo yun. Dahil po sa inyo yun. Kasi kung wala naman po, ako I really do believe in the saying na hindi naman nagkakaroon tayo ng mga taong iniidolo and hindi tayo nagkakaroon ng mga tao sa show business dito sa ating bansa if not for the supporters and not for the fans. So, kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po ako dito. Thank you.
Mukhang napangiti mo naman si Mommy Jane. Thank you po.
thank you, Tita. Opo. Tita, yung microphone po. Pasensya na ako, Tita, ha? Ayan! Dito naman tayo. Aba, ito! Aba. Alden, we still have 100 fans pa. Puro. Yung po, ma'am, ano po ang name po ninyo? Forward. Let's
get
move
it.
forward po. Move forward po tayo. Ano po ang name niyo po? Taga saan po kayo?
Helen Banal from Quezon City.
Oh, yan. Sige po, ano pang question niyo po kay Alden?
First of all, gusto ko po nang batiin si Ben. Happy 50th.
Thank you.
50th anniversary. We love you, alam mo yan. Ang question ko, ayan, ano mo.
Lapit niyo po. Nakalimutan niyo po. Gusto niyo po, i-text niyo na lang po. Joke. Ano po ang question niyo po? Kinabahan si... Ayan na, aba! Aba, may kodigo.
Hindi, Ben.
Sige po.
Kasi yung kulit mo.
Kuya Beto.
Ako ba ang naging problema ho ninyo, ha?
Sorry,
Oh,
Beto.
sige po, ano po ang
Ben,
question niyo po?
What can we expect from you after this event?
Yun, so right now po, of course, I'm gonna be doing a series in partnership with a very popular platform in the Philippines next year. And also, babalik teleserye na tayo, GMA. And right now po, actually, I'm doing a project, an international project. So, that's what's in store. And also, syempre, of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin sana yung endorsements natin at the same time. And maybe, more events like this, kasi parang feeling ko kasi, Mami Helen, I owe this to my supporters, to have events like this, to celebrate, and to give thanks to them. And I think these events are is a form of gratitude for them. Kasi ako, at the end of the day naman, parang you always knew me before when I was starting na I always make time for you guys. I always make time for my supporters, and I will not ever take that for granted. So,
Lagi mong sinasabi sa amin na mahal mo kami, pero we love you more.
Nakakaiyak yun eh. Mami, we love you too. At syempre, Alden, meron pang magtatanong. Eto na. Ah! Ang daming fans, ha? Opo. Yun po. Pwede hong malaman po ang inyong pangalan po.
Karen
Taga-saan
Julia
po
from
kayo?
Makati City.
What's your question po para kay Alden?
And mahirap to pero pinractice ko kanina. What are you feeling right now?
What are you feeling right
Pinapis ba
now?
yun? Honestly, ang laking bagay sa akin na I'm able to do this event here, dito sa Santa Rosa, kung saan ako lumaki. Masarap lang bumalik sa pinanggalingan minsan, talaga. And I think, dapat siguro as individuals, hindi natin kinakalimutan na regardless of where we go in this lifetime, kung saan man tayo dali ng pagkakataon, balikan natin kung saan tayo nanggaling. Because the people who have believed in us when we had nothing are the ones who are more deserving of the success that we have right now. So, overpowered with joy. I'm just so happy to be here. Sama kayong lahat. And sana hindi tayo mapagod magmahalan. And that gives me joy and that gives me excitement to be with these people right now in this stadium.
Wow!
Dahil dyan, may gift ako din.
Oh, naku, may gift daw sa... Oh.
Bagong-bago yun ah.
Bakit?
naman yun.
Oo. Akala ko resibo. Kinabahan ako. At may magtatanong pa. Yan po. Sino po? Oh, ay kayo. Opo, kamusta na po? Sige po. Ano pong name po ninyo? Taga saan po kayo?
Santa Rosa.
Santa Rosa pong pangalan mo ninyo?
No, ID po.
Ayun, si Ma'am
Familiar
Ivy.
yung jacket.
Oo nga, dito po tayo. Forward po tayo.
Ah, kanina sa bazaar.
Sa Bazaar.
Ayun po na nakabili.
Congratulations, Alden. Happy 15th anniversary sa'yo.
Thank you, Ivy.
My question is, what does it mean to you to have people who choose to stay, not just during the highs, but through the quiet and uncertain seasons?
Yun yung mga taong hindi ko nakakalimutan. Kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko kanina, marami po dito sa Santa Rosa ang talagang was been there for me since the very beginning. Naniniwala sa akin, tinulungan ako. Believe that I could be more in this lifetime. So, sila yung mga lagi kong tinitingnan at times minsan pag napapagod na ako, minsan I feel like nothing's making sense anymore. I always go back to these people. I always go back and ask myself the question, bakit pa ako nagsimula? And that makes everything better. Sometimes kasi hindi naman natin maiwasan lalo ngayon, di ba? In this fast-paced world, parang ang dami-dami ng instances na parang larga lang tayo ng larga sa buhay tapos nakakalimutan natin yung sarili natin. And minsan, in times like that, in those dark times, I think of these people and that's the reason why I'm still here. Isa sila sa reason kung bakit nandito pa ako.
Thank you, Alden.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you po.
Ayan, salamat po sa lahat na nagtanong from Alden's fans o yung tinatawag lang A-Team. Thank you. At syempre, hindi rin makukumpleto ang Ultimate Fan Meet na to kung wala ang mga special games and prizes. Kaya more chance.
Marami-rami to,
Makabati-
guys!
Yes, makakabati niyo pa si Alden tonight.
Sino gusto manalo ng cash prize?